Welcome to Smart Select Pump Selection Program. This program is a demo version developed particularly for the booster pump sets, which consist of frequency calculation and parallel pump selection. It has multiple language options. Additional languages can be added upon demand. The program was designed for computers and mobile devices which have internet access and modern web browsers. Homepage designated to the general functions as user sign in, sign up, and language options. You can reach to the pump selection on the second page, or watch the video which explains how the program works. It is possible to choose between 50 Hz and 60 Hz catalogs. You may simply select a pump by fill-in flow and head, or you can use advanced options for further filter for your own selection. Commonly used units for flow and head are accessible to assist your selection. Variety of tools to assist your calculation for flow and head are registered in the program for common building types. When you click on the flow calculation button, it is asked you choose one among the common building types. When you click on the building type, daily water consumption per person for this building type is calculated. According to the type, the pump flow can be calculated when the other data are entered to the building type. Flow is calculated based on the unit, as per your previous selection on the main page. In the head calculation tool, some data which are necessary for calculation is already calculated by default. You can modify these data. When you enter the required data, the program calculates the head. You can select the pump number in booster set or choose standby pump number. You can specify your own selection by using advanced options. For instance, if you limit the pump number with 1, you will receive only the results for the booster sets with 1 pump. If you choose 1 standby pump, you will receive 2 pump systems, yet these selections and calculations will be done for 1 pump. The program allows you to make pump selection for other pumping liquids, other than water. You can use the already existed pumping liquids in the database. Pump selections could be done for the pumps, which has monophase or 3-phase motors. For instance, no result will be shown if there is no pump with the monophase motor for the requested flow and head, and you limit your selection into the monophase motors. You can narrow down the results while filtering selection criteria, when the options are many in the selection results. By doing so, you can examine the results more easily. Variety of data belong to pump and motor are found in the selection table. The table can be sorted from small to big, or vice versa, or else can be sorted alphabetically. The pump curve demonstrates the requested flow and head with 2 pumps, are as seen. The curves of 1 pump are defined with the dashed line, whereas are defined with the linear line for the 2 pumps. The data, such as motor curves, dimensions, and motor information can be reached. The pump duty point can be changed by clicking on the point over the curve. In addition, duty point can be modified by entering the new flow point. Additional duty points can be added to the pump curve. All the values, which belong to these points, are demonstrated on the table. These points can be removed by clicking on them. Number of motor options for the pump can be demonstrated and motors can be changed. The pump curves are updated according to the updated motor values when the motor is changed. Flow head curve is calculated according to the motor speed. It is possible to see motor curves in this page. Please see how the motor load rate and motor data is modified when the pump duty point change. Motor curves are updated when the motor is changed. Working area between 50 Hz and 35 Hz of a pump, for 50 Hz, is seen as this way. When you click on the area, the program calculates the pump's working frequency, and updates the curves and duty points, according to the flow and head on this point. The frequency calculation also can be done by entering flow and head. When a duty point entered out of pump working area, which is calculated by frequency, the program warns the user. The program also can calculate curves and duty point for a specific frequency selected. The frequency areas can be shown in the datasheet. A lot of data, curves, and dimensions are demonstrated in the datasheets, and customized upon request. As a unique feature, the program generates a unique code for selected pump and duty point, and add this code as QR code to the datasheets. When it is clicked on it, or QR code is read by a mobile device, the related pump page pops up on the selection program. This program is compatible with mobile devices. The program is compatible with different screen sizes and a pleasant view is obtained in multiple devices. Almost all the functions which are used in desktop can be used also in mobile device. Thanks for watching.